So with measures of success, one current way we measure our success is through the completion rates. Within the learning initiatives we've assigned through our active learners in BizLibrary, we have a 97% completion rate, which highlights this culture that we have that values training within our organization. We've also launched almost 6,000 launches just within this past year. So that just shows a major, just that growth that we've had because we've grown since we started the program. In addition to BizLibrary completion rates, we also have our completion rates for compliance training. So things like mandated reporter, nonviolent crisis intervention training, CPR first aid, and those are at 99%, just with the caveat that our new hires that we have 2 weeks to complete the training. Now, the university program, we're currently working towards getting our participants again through that NADSP E-Badge program certification. And with this, we've gone through the first few weeks of our new cohort that Lydia had talked about with our case managers, our frontline supervisors. We've already had several people finish multiple badges towards their certifications. And it's a huge marker of the success we've had with this program. And we're looking forward to those employees completing their full certifications. Lastly, our quarterly and annual performance reviews showcase just the huge indicator of success and that positive internal cultural shift we've had within the organization. In the past 2 years, we successfully ran 2 full review cycles where employees and managers get to set goals that they're working on towards the upcoming year with these quarterly checkups that we have that they can review what's going on with the progress, review goals and maybe change them if needed, or set new goals if it comes to that. Now, the ways that we have for calculating ROI, we use obviously internal advancements. We've had 10% internal advancement rate. We've had a 3% rehire rate. We have multiple positive exit reviews from people. They're not leaving because they don't like the company. They're leaving for other reasons. So we that's the whole goal of doing that retention. Also, we've had those positive employee statements from our Pulse survey. You'll see another one after this. And just the amount of money we switched from going from fully in-person to e-learning and in-person, we've saved over $16,000. So it's great accomplishments.